Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel Electrospark. Do you know what are electrical circuit terminologies? Like active elements, passive elements, node, junction, branch, mesh, and loop. If you want to get good knowledge about it, watch full video. Let I explain it. First circuit terminology is active elements. Active elements are components that supply energy or increase power in a circuit. They require an external power source and can control current or voltage. Examples include voltage sources, current sources, and transistors. Examples of active elements include voltage sources like batteries, solar panels, DC power supplies, and AC generators. Current sources are also active elements. They supply energy to the circuit and require an external source to operate. Other active elements include transistors, op-amps, and vacuum tubes. Transistors amplify and switch signals, op-amps amplify weak signals, and vacuum tubes perform similar functions in older electronic circuits. All of these require an external power source to operate. Now let's learn about passive elements. Passive elements are components that cannot supply energy or amplify signals. Instead, they store or dissipate energy. For example, resistors dissipate energy as heat, capacitors store energy in an electric field, inductors store energy in a magnetic field, and diodes control the direction of current flow. These components do not provide power gain. Third circuit terminology is node. A node is an electrical circuit is a point where two or more elements like resistor, capacitor, inductor, diodes etc. are connected. The below circuit depicts all its elements. In this circuit, points A, B, C, and D are at equal potential difference and connected to electrical components. As I already mentioned, those are battery, resistor, capacitor, inductor, and diode. These points are called nodes. So, we have 4 nodes in this circuit. The next fourth terminology is branch. A branch can be defined as the part of a circuit between two nodes that contains one or more circuit elements. As you can see in below circuit, we have node A and B that contains resistor as an element. Thus, observing whole circuit, we have branches. Those are AB, BD, BC, CD, and AD. Those contain resistor, capacitor, inductor, diode, and battery. The fifth terminology is junction. A junction is a point in a circuit where 3 or more branches meet. At a junction, the current splits into different paths or combines from different paths. As you can see in this circuit, B and D different branches meet, like B1, B2, and B3. Thus, here we have 3 branches, AB, BC, and BD. These 3 branches meet at point B. In the same way, the 3 lower branches AD, BD, and CD meet at point D. Therefore, we have 2 junctions in this circuit, B and D. The sixth circuit terminology is mesh. A mesh is a loop that does not contain any other loops inside it. It is the smallest or elementary closed path in an electrical circuit. In this circuit, we have 2 meshes. Those are mesh 1 in left side and mesh 2 in right side. Thus, mesh 1 is enclosed by nodes A, B, D, and A, while mesh 2 is represented by B, C, D, and B. It is noted that every mesh is a loop, but not every loop is the mesh. The last and final terminology is loop. A loop is a closed path in a circuit that starts and ends at the same node without passing through any node more than once. As you can see, the loop starts at node A and once it passed through next nodes like BC and D and ends at A again. Thus, in this circuit, ABCDA forms a loop. It contains the nodes A, B, C, and D. The loop starts at node A and ends at node A again. It includes the circuit elements, a resistor, a capacitor, an inductor, and a diode. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel.